everybody. So, you're probably wondering, this is the episode 2 of unboxing. Last time we unboxed a Quran verse. It was called Surat Kawthar. So today we're going to unbox something else. I bet it's another Quran verse or it's just another painting. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, I think it's gonna be the same way we done the other time. Do it the other way. Ooh. Guys, we might have to unwrap it like we did, like it took I think 10 minutes to unwrap the other painting. So this might take the same time. Oh my god, it's the horse, it's a horse. It's horses. Wow. I'm gonna take this one out. And then we're gonna put the box away down here. Go. Okay, now I've got only the horses. You can already see there is one horse here. You can see the quarter of the other horse. So let's open this one. It's gonna take a while. Okay. I wonder. So guys, as I said in the last episode, this is from Facebook. We got this from Facebook, and it was very cheap. But I don't know how much, but it was cheap. So you can buy it as well. Oh, this time I think it's more easier. I figured the way to success. Okay, first piece we've got here is 2 horses. You can see completely. We're gonna put that on the side, and then we're gonna just take the first layer off. Oh no.
A few moments later.
Got this one. Just have to put this away. Roll it in the roll and then put it away. Okay. Now we have 3 pieces. Put this cut away. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm just gonna have to. Oh yeah, I know which one is which. So what? Okay. No way. Where? Okay. Yeah, this one is confusing. No, this one goes here. That's confirmed. Oh yes, I get it. And this one goes here, and this one goes here. That's it. I've got the full painting, guys. Hey, this looks so good. I think these are from. I don't know what kind of horses are these. I think these are all horses. I really like this painting. I wish I could draw this, but I might be an artist and I could draw this when I get older. So guys, this is what we got today, and that's it for today. If you want to watch the 3rd painting, you can watch the next episode. So, don't forget to subscribe this channel, or your channel. I'll not subscribe to your channel. That's just how it works. I'm sorry. So, and you have to like the video. Like it. Because you have to say it in the comments if you like the painting. But you have to like the video. So, and then you're going to click the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.